Hello guys and welcome to the video. It's Orange Kid Plays here and hi.
Sir, I think you ordered some beer.
I don't know what they're selling over there, so
Don't worry about it. It's totally not. I'm lagging.
How many wins have I ever gotten? Okay, tacky. I know what I'm gonna wear for tacky.
What's tacky? What's the definition?
Nerd.
Tacky's like, I gotta do this right and do it right again. George Washington. Oh, that's girl hair.
You look like freaking president.
I look like Oprah.
You look like something.
Hey guys, the theme is tacky. I'm pretty sure that means like you don't trust them, something, you know. We're gonna go with these faces are great, by the way. Yeah, Ramsey, you like my style? Whoops. Oh no.
Tacky means glue, paint, or other substance, retaining a slightly sticky feel, not fully dry.
I'm gonna be right back.
Wow, that's what
I'll
tacky
tell you what
means.
I got.
I just looked tacky up on the internet for you guys.
Oh, tacky.
I need to be sticky, okay, guys?
I raised this United States from the ground, boys. From the ground.
From the ground of...
How about George Washington wearing Gucci?
Yeah, like he'd ever do that.
Okay, George Washington wearing a Santa suit.
Probably. I mean, he has the roundness going on. Okay, guys. So, for my attire, tacky.
What's attire mean? Tell me.
Do you not know?
Nope.
Do you need to go back to, like, kindergarten?
No. What's attire mean? What's attire? I forgot.
Clothing.
Ramsey, do you like my face?
My blue jeans on.
You need help. Okay.
Guys.
Guys, I'm not actually recording right now.
I
said
am.
I was beautiful.
So, guys, yeah. Hope you enjoy, but I'm not done yet.
Cue the dark alley. No, I had to look like him. Okay, the beard can stay.
Santa Claus, you have to look like...
Oh, yeah. Say this tacky?
Tacky, I don't want to listen to you people.
No, I'm hipster Santa Claus. Want me to turn around for you?
You can become Devil Santa Claus if you want to.
Ramsey, let me turn around for you. Look at me. Look at me, boy. Look at me. Well, what's going on with that? Look at the back of my head. Do you know what tacky means, by the way? Look at the back of my head.
Yeah,
Ramsey.
sticky substance. I looked up the definition.
Are you recording this?
Who, me?
Yeah, you.
Yeah.
Oh, shoot. Okay. Sorry, Bob. Yeah. Sorry, Bob. Okay, I'm gonna do the hood thing.
Gee.
What? I gotta be in the hood. So, one of these skins has a hood on the back of it.
Ethan, how do you buy clothing again?
No, that's a
Oh, I
different
remember.
shirt. Okay.
It's been such a long time.
Ooh, I can do like that. No, I'm already wearing a jacket. I'm looking for the accessories. Where are the accessories?
I need to find, like...
over here with the bases. Okay. Red is my color. Not mine. Red is my color.
Oh, I have the Gucci collared shirt, so...
Yeah, I have that too. Ramsey.
We're all good.
Look. Red is my color, dude. No, I think pink's better.
You don't need to see my attire yet.
You don't need to see mine.
That would spoil it.
What's wrong? Oh, I found him, Ethan.
No, you didn't. You found him.
Oh, I saw somebody in an
Ooh,
old
that's
costume.
tacky.
Okay, guys. So, I didn't actually get a chance to
Hello!
what I had, but I'll show you that in like 20 seconds. So, well, not 20
It's
seconds.
time to vote for the best.
I don't care about your voting system. Nice face. Oh, shoot. Ethan Rub up first.
You
Good
guys.
luck. He's George Washington Santa. I'm gonna give you a 2-star just because he's not very tacky.
I'm gonna give him a freaking one.
I want you. I want you. What a lot of people call Santa. You look like that.
I want you. I want you. I want you.
What's up with your legs? Wrinkle Central.
Are you scarred yet?
Oh, it's me now. Like this.
Oh, you look like a grandma with no
Is
good
there any,
attire.
like, no.
You look like if I stuck
Okay.
my finger in your mouth, I'd be
I look
bleeding
kind
to
of
death.
tacky, right?
No, not at all.
Do you know what tacky means?
Sticky substance. I looked it up.
Oh my goodness.
I mean, I think I found Elmo.
Well, no, it's Peter Rabbit gone wrong. What?
They spelled it wrong.
They said sick. No, that's how you spell it, like the version.
Does anyone else have random idea to what
Sketchy.
it means? Tacky, it means
Sketchy.
sticky substance.
Okay, when I saw tacky, I immediately thought of sketchy, so don't kill me. I could be wrong, I probably am.
He probably is.
TV's the best. I'm like, oh. He's like, how's that partnership with Sketch, dude? I'm saying, oh, I sent him the email. He never called back.
La 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 la.
You scared me.
So guys, please subscribe.
Yeah, I'm gonna be right back. I'll tell you if I win.
And guys, after this round, that's gonna be all for the video. I'm sorry, guys.
Do one more.
But all for this video. I might make another one today. 3 in a row, you know. If we get 1 like on this, I'll make another video
the
today.
results are in, and the winners are not me.
How did I not win this?
What's that guy got a Spring
Spring's
t-shirt?
not here.
I got 7th place.
I got 4th. I tied for 3rd.
Okay.
Well, bye, guys.